Okay. I like the way this is sounding it right now, but I think maybe we could do something a little different with it. Fitz, do you think maybe you could make my voice deep? Like one of those Lil Wayne tracks?
My life sucks. Fuck.